keychains. That's right.
So yeah, we're gonna be making keychains today, and we're gonna be making it on this like shrink plastic that you put it in the oven, and then it shrinks down to this keychain, which is really cool.
Yeah, this is the stuff, right? We got stuff that came in a pack of 25. It is it's like a sheet of see-through plastic. It's like a little frosted, but you can still see your design through it to trace it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this into fourths. So we each have a piece, and that's gonna be plenty big for when it shrinks down to be our keychain, okay? They sent us all the things we need. Here's the key rings and chains. Here's the littler ring to go on the actual product itself. They even sent us some little colored ties if we want to use those instead. Along with the pack came a hole puncher. We already have one of these at home, but they sent us an extra one. A pair of tweezers for when you're doing some of the delicate work with these rings. And they even sent us a pair of scissors that we also don't need, but you know, nice to have extra scissors. So we're gonna take these 4 cards. Hold those up, Maddie. Those are the size of plastic that we're gonna cut out. So each of us is gonna get a 1/4 of a sheet, and we're gonna draw our rough drafts on these, and we're gonna use pencil, and we're going to take that opportunity to make it just how we want it. We don't have to color it because like I said, these are see-through, so we can just trace it and then do our coloring on these plastic sheets. You can use this for absolutely anything. You can make some keychains for yourself. You can make keychains for Mother's Day, okay? Mother's Day is coming up this weekend. So you won't have time to go out and buy some of this stuff before Mother's Day, but you could use it for an idea for next year. You could use it for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas gifts, Valentine's Day presents. You could just decide to make some for your friends. So these are a really cool way to make keychains. So we'll give a couple of different examples today. And like Maddie had said, if you want to just grab some colors and go for it, you can come up with whatever design you want, okay? I would suggest putting not only a design, but some words on it as well, all right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna get to work on our designs, and we will show you what we're doing. We'll fast forward it through it all, and then at the end, we're gonna bake these in the oven. They're gonna shrink down to nice keychains, and we'll show you how they came out. Mm-hmm. All right, you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2,
3. Yay!
Put those aside and then grab your pieces of paper. Okay guys, now that we've got everything cut out, let's get started.
Yes. Yeah.
Go. Okay, everybody. So what you're now going to do is put over the top of your rough draft or your design, which is now like looking how you want it. You're going to make sure you're using not the shiny side, but the rough side, and you're going to face the rough side up because that's what you want to draw on, is the rough side. Okay? And we're going to use Sharpie on this. Sharpie marker works the best. Okay? In theory, you could use any type of colored pencil or other types of markers, but we are going to use Sharpie. We have it on good authority that Sharpie works the best. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna punch them with, we're gonna hole punch them. So I'm gonna hole punch mine like right up here at the top of mine. All right, so this is what this looks like. Okay, you want to do that before you want to do that before you bake it.
Okay.
So Landon, where do you want your hole punch to be? It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, so he's gonna go in the middle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. So when you cut it, you're gonna cut around that little part. Okay. Odin, where would you like yours? Probably at the top in the middle, right? No, Daddy does this. Okay, ready? In the middle at the top. Right? When you cut, Daddy will help you cut around it.
Gotta cut it around.
And Maddie, where would you like yours?
Just like in the middle here somewhere.
Ooh. Sorry, can't see it. So right in the middle, so probably right about here?
Yeah.
Cool. Now we're all gonna get scissors. And remember, you don't have to be super detailed. You want a little of the plastic, like, to be on the outline. Don't get too close to your artwork. Okay, so everybody put them down in front of us. Okay, these are our designs so far. We're gonna go. It's getting a little bit late, so we're gonna put these in the oven tomorrow, and we'll show you how they come out tomorrow. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. They're curling up. You gotta wait till they curl back down.
KEYCHAINS!
That's it. We baked them. They came out just like this. Might be a little hard to see. I'll show a zoomed in picture. We'll lay them all out on the table at the end, and we'll show you what they look like nice and close. These keychains came out really nice. We really like them. They feel like really durable plastic. When you hold them in the light, their colors are so vibrant. We used Sharpies on these. We kind of learned a little bit of a lesson. You can use other types of markers. We had been told Sharpies work the best, but after having tried it, and Maddie will show you some other examples, there are actually other types of markers that even work better than Sharpies, but we'll get to that in a second. So, did you guys have fun with this?
Yeah!
Pretty cool. We can, you can give these away for gifts. You can give them to your friends. We have Teacher Appreciation Week this week. Landon's going to give his to his teacher. Maddie's made one for Mom. Odin might give his to his teacher. So it'll be pretty fun to give them away. It's always nice to give things away and see what people think. Great. Cool. So let's get to what Maddie did and Landon did. Landon did his with Sharpie. Okay, show that one, Landon. And again, I'll show a zoomed in picture of all these. And then Maddie did some of her Squishmallows. She made little keychains of those, and they just came out phenomenal. You guys did such a nice job. They used Prismacolor markers, or Maddie used Prismacolor markers on hers, and they really, really came out nice. Once again, if you did use Sharpie, they do look a little dark, but if you hold them up in the light, man, do they look really, really nice.
They do. Really.
So we'll actually hold them up in the light for you and then take a nice zoomed in picture. But that's all for now. We had a lot of fun. So if you want to try it, just have one of your parents help you search online to find some shrink. It's like shrink plastic, and you can make keychains and ornaments. Some of these you can see we have set up to be ornaments, and some are set up to be keychains.
Mm-hmm.
So
but always ask an adult first before you buy anything.
That's right. Ask an adult. All right. Until next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. Whee!